Oh hey, what's up guys? It's with pain in my heart that I'm gonna sadly soon sell this Vagabond van because I moved officially to Ukraine, so that's kind of nice news. But sad news is this car is registered in Belgium, super expensive to import it. That's just a little annoying feature about Ukraine. So I'm gonna sell it, I'm gonna drive it back to Belgium, maybe have a little goodbye road trip with it. But before I can do that, I think I seriously need to give it a good cleaning because this car is extremely dirty. So that's why I bought these Vagabond girls. They're gonna help me make this little beauty shine so that I can ask the price that I want for it. Skirt, skirt. So I asked Alessia to help me out and invite some of her friends to help me clean my car. So maybe you can introduce them. She's in trance.
I didn't expect you will make me talk.
We have a cut there, and you can just introduce them.
Introduce yourself.
We got Eugenia, Julia, Karina, and Alessia, Vagabond girls of today, helping me clean this car. Thank you so much, girls. I need to stay dry for my camera, of course, because everybody wants to get some content out of it, obviously. So we're gonna get to it. Why we came to this specific car wash is because it should have pink foam, my favorite color of the year.
Vlogging is vlogging, but this car really needs to be washed.
The hot water is finished. This button is not in red. You cannot choose it. There is no hot water. What is there something else hot?
No!
Do you have a towel? We are not prepared for this shooting.
we have
no towels.
We have paper towels.
We have paper towels. Wait. I have this. It's a travel blanket. It's like a bag. You can sit in it. It's like a bag. So that's the joke. I brought 4 girls to wash my car at the end. They just spray foam, but I'm gonna wash my car.
I did.
Well, I guess
Maybe
it's
you can
fair
put
enough.
some warm inside so we can get warmer.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Travel blanket that I've been carrying in my car for 3 years finally has a purpose. It's not really what it's meant for, but hey. In Belgium we say you can't look a given horse in the mouth. Don't look in the mouth of a given horse. Like, don't check if it has good teeth. Like, if you are given a horse, accept the horse. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay, yeah. I've never heard that though.
So accept the shitty blankets, even though it's not a towel. I think that feels more dangerous than the gun shooting we did. I'm never gonna go to an automatic car wash anymore. This is so much fucking fun. Might be that I'm getting used to it, but honestly I'm having way more fun spraying my car than spraying the 4 girls, but don't tell them. Alright, and one of the advantages of working for the Vagabond fam is that Felix also gets a little moment of joy.
Oh yeah, ready? 3,
Yes.
2, 1.
Oops!
No
What,
way.
we ran out?
No way.
We just ran out! Seriously? That is hilarious. Wait.
So I'm not gonna get my little
let me
moment of
check
joy.
Let me check if we got
Joy.
10 grivnas left somewhere. There we go. Second try.
Let's try this one. Almost as fun as the shooting, like when we went to that shotgun thing. I got like this more.
Yeah, it's quite hilarious. All the girls are just sitting inside the van and we're just ignoring them because we're having so much fun cleaning the car. I'm gonna be honest, I had way more fun than anticipated and the car looks pretty shiny. In a couple of weeks I'm gonna drive it back to Belgium. You're probably gonna see a little road trip vlog from our whole road trip to Belgium. And time to go home. See you guys later. JC out. Scoop scoop. Let's say that the car is still pretty dirty. We just opened the sky view. Yeah. I guess I only did the fun part and not really the hard working part where you rub it.